Good day, sir. Today I'm going to present to you our last activity, which is budgeting. Start po natin sa groceries. Ang expenses po namin is fish, pork, chicken, beverages, eggs, water, snacks, vegetable, and rice po. Monthly po, ang nagagastos namin sa fish is 1,000. Sa pork naman po is 2,000. Sa chicken is 1,600. Sa beverages, 1,200. Eggs, 400. Snacks, 600. Water, 750. Vegetables, 1,200. And rice po is 1,500. Monthly po kami bumibili. And then, ang total po namin is 10,650 po. Second is hygiene po. Yung expenses po namin sa hygiene, which is some shampoo, conditioner, bath soap, deodorant, and perfume. Monthly din po siya, and then may stocks na rin po kasi kami na binibili. Ang monthly gastos po namin sa shampoo is 250. Sa conditioner din po is 250. Bath soap is 450. Deodorant is 300. Perfume is 500. Kung nagtataka po kayo bakit ang mahal po ng bath soap namin, ang binibili po kasi namin bath soap is yung box na po. Tapos yung perfume po kasi nakadepende po sa sa brand po. Yeah, kaya ang total po namin is 1,750. Next is cleaning materials naman po. Expenses po namin is dishwashing liquid, Downy, Tough, Zonrox, and laundry detergent. Ang monthly po na nagagastos namin sa dishwashing liquid is 1,100, Downy is 630, Tough is 578, Zonrox is 600, laundry detergent is 400 po. Yung dishwashing po, kaya malaki siya kasi po, yung isang galon po yung binibili namin. Then, naubos po yun every month kasi po. Yeah, ang daming hugasin. And ang total po namin for the cleaning materials is 3,308. Yung next is utilities po. Expenses is electrical bills, internet bills. Monthly po, ang nagagastos namin sa electrical bills together with the water bill na po yan is 4,000. And then yung internet bill po namin is 1,500. Kaya po ang nagagastos namin is 5,500 po. So ang overall total po natin is 20,208. Income po is, ipapa ko lang po yung may income sa amin. So ang income daw po niya ngayon is 50,000 po. And then sa savings naman po, we have the income and expenses. Pinag-minus ko lang po yung dalawa, which is yung income is 50,000 and then yung expenses po is 21,208 pesos. So, we have a total of 28,792 pesos. Next po is makikita nyo na po dito yung mga pie chart ng groceries, hygiene, cleaning materials, utilities, and savings. Hindi ko na po nilagyan ng pie chart yung income kasi po, si papa ko lang naman po yung may income sa amin. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye!